In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your NBA app. So if you want to get the latest features that comes with this app, or also if you are experiencing any problem with your app, you might want to just go ahead and look for the update and then update your app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, for you to be able to update your NBA mobile app, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store, and here is my Google Play Store. I'll go ahead and tap on it. And from here, I can use this search function here to search for the app. And you can see my app is here. I'll tap on it. And look at that, I have an update that is available. So this means I've been using an outdated version of NBA app, which is not secure, and it might contain apps, as well as I can't access the latest features or updates that are available on this app. So to get the latest version, just go ahead and tap on update, and this will go on and download the latest version of NBA app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once the installation is done, you can now tap on open to start using the latest version of NBA app. So that's how you get the latest version of NBA app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.